traders? Sam Shakespeare coming to you live. Hey Michael, what's happening, sir? Hey Jeffrey. Alright, my chat. I can't even find my mouse. You can't get started today. I just burned myself in the lip with some coffee here, which doesn't seem like good news, but I got hot coffee and that's good news. Hey Simon. What's up, man? Welcome everyone to another day in the FibMatrix live trade room, and happy new year to you, sir, Michael, and everyone else. We did this yesterday and the day before, but yeah, I figure all week we're kind of gonna have a happy new year week. We've actually had some trades overnight. Another good night of trading, guys. Up 68, basically 67.9, I guess, full position pips, because that's how we've got it calibrated. So every 10 pips is a full percent. So pretty good start to 2021 so far. Up 15, a little over 15.25%. All right, so very nice for the first week of January and first week of 2021 for that matter. Kind of exciting because remember the reversals now can go all the way to their B2, their far B2. So here's a reversal, a 1 minute reversal, right, which is what we call a preemptive reversal. It's working just fine, right? We've got our growth target, so we didn't get the alert on this, but working beautifully. It's going to hit that L7. That's how we've traditionally been playing these. We wait for the lower low, and we get in and we take it to the L7. We know one problem with that. The L7 creeps up closer and closer, takes away some of that profit potential over time. So I've had the option to have a B2 target, and actually that's what happened last night with these two 15-minute reversals. Nice trades, right? 47 pips on New Zealand dollar, 55 pips on Aussie dollar. Here's the 15-minute charts, right, on these. They both did very similar things. Here's the 15-minute chart. You can see similar action. A lot of it had to do with the dollar itself. But we have a 15-minute here. Look at this. Okay, so we start on the Aussie dollar, for example. So here was the previous trend. It was still higher highs, higher lows here. Boom. And it bounced here, but not enough gas on that last bounce. We fail to make the high, and boom, we make the lower low. So we're in lower lows. L1, L2's cross. White zone collapses. See that? Boom. Now next touch, right here is the next touch. L1 is below the L2. White zone is collapsed. We didn't get a dynamic. That's why it's good to have a bot working for you, because to wait, now you've got the signal. You got to wait 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It looks like this might have been the dynamic. If not, then this was definitely it. So we had a bearish candle. Then see how the price action went below it. It's not a bearish candle next to it, but during this open, when this candle was open and it was down here, it looked bearish at that moment. This was the entry spot on Aussie dollar right there. So it went a little negative at one point, right? Did not break the highs though, because when you get in here, it looks at the high as your stop, and well, the target we've been using was this L7, see that? But now we've used the B2, so we got a little more action. All right, so we were in the 15-minute reversal. Now notice, select dynamic target. This is one of the new features that will be coming out in 2.32. And it just extended the dynamic targets for the 5-minute reversals, 15-minute reversals, and preemptive reversals. And as a reminder, the preemptive reversal is simply just a 1-minute reversal. But you can see here I've chosen the far 15-minute B2 target. Right, so that's what happened here. When we got in, it was risking 24. The target was 85 pips away. So remember, here was our entry. Boom. That means it was 24 pips to the stop and then to the B2. So where was the B2? Targeting 85 pips. So here's the white zone. That blue edge there right above the L7, that's the B1. There's the white zone bottom, B1. So B2 is below this. It's actually this color. See, when this white zone collapses again, all the levels contract. So there's the new B1, there's the new B2. So it's this color. You can see it popping up here on this side. The entry then, again, all right, here, boom, 96 area. Now it says, yeah, there was risking 24.5 pips to the stop there. Has acceptable swing stop set at 78.20.7. 78.20.7. So that's the top of this candle here. So, and then the target was boom, right? So it looks like 85 is like, you know, just over big figures where the B2 is at this point in time. So it enters, it weighted the lot size at 0.43, and 0.43 of a full lot times 24.5 risk. Okay, that was 1%. Okay, so it risked 1%. Didn't get the full 85, okay? It only got 55 of them. And that's because, if you see what happened, look, the B2, while it started here, it collapsed while in the trade, and now it came to here. So this was the exit, the B2 right there, guys. So it made it through. See, this was our old target, the L7. Now we made the B2 right there, right? And that's where it got out, B2 target. And you can see the same happened on New Zealand dollar as well, right here. Same idea. It went through the L7. There's the B2 there, so it closed up and took it out somewhere in this area. All right, so same idea on both of those trades. One of them got us 47 pips. One of us got them 55 pips. So if you think about this for a moment, 24 pips, okay, on this Aussie dollar, because it was risking 24 pips, and then it calibrated itself to make sure that was equal to 1%. Right, and to do that, it made it a 0.43 lot size. That made 24 pips, 0.5 pips, just equal 1%. If we lose it, we'll lose 1%. So if we gain it, we'll gain 1%, right? Well, we made on this trade 55 pips. So that was better than a 2-to-1 that we made, because we would have had to make 49, because 24.5 times 2, that's 49. So 49 pip win would have been 2-to-1 reward to risk, right? We got 55. So it was better than 2-to-1 reward per risk. Now, I guess we can look at New Zealand dollar really quick too. Let's go to the New Zealand entry. Here's the New Zealand entry right here. It was risking 23.9 for 87.9. So it almost looks identical to the Aussie dollar chart. It really does. So this was risking 23. It calibrated 23 to equal 1%. So that means double that. Really, it's 24. So also 48. Also 48, and we got 47. So that both of those 2-to-1. So pretty much 2% on both of those trades right there. Not bad at all. You can see the one from 91.9. That's this one, 91.9. Closed, hit 15-minute lower B2. Nice trade. All right, that's New Zealand, and then Aussie also same thing, right here. Okay, so wild overnight session, and we're up 15% in just the first week of 2021. These are the trades overnight. We did have one loser breakout trade, and then you can see we are indeed up 15%. $10,000 account is now up to 11,528. So it's up 1,528, which is actually exactly 15.28%. You know, everything is calibrated perfectly, so we're looking good.